Ola introduced the Move OS3 software on its scooters recently, and this was the third instance of Ola rolling out its proprietary software on its electric scooters within a year. And we are ready to test it out on the S1 Pro and see all the new features that it has to offer. Today we are going to focus on the features that Move OS3 brings to the table. So let's see what all the Move OS3 update has to offer. So what you saw here was the party mode on the Ola S1 Pro, and yes, this is one of the cooler updates on the Move OS3 platform. Now, like we told you earlier, it gets a bunch of features along with the Move OS3 update. The party mode is one of them. Then apart from that, you have the vacation mode. So if you plan to not use your scooter for say 150 to 200 days, up to 200 days, so you can turn the vacation mode on, lock your scooter, and what this does is that it doesn't let the charge trickle out of the battery. So what happens is once you come back, start your scooter, there's still enough battery there for you to do your daily chores and then charge it, take it to the nearest charger. In addition to that, you also have the hill hold assist. Now the hill hold assist in our scooter is in the beta mode, so you have to be extra careful about it, but there's a very convenient way to apply it and disengage it, and that helps when you're parked on slopes, inclines and so on. And we also told you about the various themes that the scooter offers in terms of display. You have the Bolt, you have the Eclipse and the Vintage display modes. So the good news is that along with all these three various themes, there's also signature sound. Yes, all three themes get a different sound with each theme. So that's again a really good, of course it is a gimmicky thing, but then it is a feature that you can have in your scooter. And lastly, there is the proximity lock unlock mode. So what happens is, if you turn this feature on your app, what happens is the phone and the scooter, they calibrate each other, they sense each other, they form a pairing, and once you do that, once you turn on the proximity lock unlock mode, all you have to do is put the side stand down and walk away from the scooter, and the scooter locks itself. Similarly, once you come closer to the scooter, the phone and the scooter will sense it and the scooter unlocks itself. Plus, the scooter will now have 3 levels of regeneration along with better acceleration. Ola says that the scooter now does the 0 to 60 km/h run in 4.5 seconds instead of 5 seconds with MoveOS 2. The new operating system offers optimized torque mapping along with personalized charging algorithm. Ola claims that the MoveOS 3 software update also offers more pace in different riding modes. The acceleration on sports mode is now 20% faster, on hyper mode it is 10% faster, and the range is also set to improve by 2 to 5%. The top speed on the eco mode, which was earlier restricted to 40 km/h, has now been increased as well. Customers can now use Wi-Fi on the scooter as well. Users will also be able to receive call notifications on the screen with the new update and store soft copies of important documents like driving license, Aadhaar card, insurance papers and so on. All these documents can be displayed on the screen of the scooters. The screen will also display more information such as distance to empty, time to charge, battery percentage and so on. So you saw all the features that Ola S1 Pro had to offer with the coming of the Move OS 3 update, the third software update in just a year. Now that's saying something about the intent of the company, but like we said earlier in our review that there are a few shortcomings, but having said that, the Ola S1 Pro is one of the best electric scooters that you can buy in the country today.